Hi there. Today I will show you how to connect your Hubspot account to PhantomBuster. First thing you need to do is to go on Solutions and select Hubspot. When you land on this page, you will see all the phantoms related to Hubspot. At first, you can select the phantom of your choice. So let's say the first one, send leads from PhantomBuster to Hubspot. I will click on Use Now. And there I just need to select a list. So let's say this one. And connect my Hubspot account. I'll click on Connect. A pop-up will open, and then I need to select my email address. So in this case, I can see HubSpot is already recognizing my email address. So I'll click on Sign in with Google. Then I need to select the right accounts. If there are multiple ones, in this case, I just have one. So I will select it, choose accounts. And at this stage, I can see that I'm connected to HubSpot. So with this Phantom, I'm actually sending leads from PhantomBuster to Hubspot. So as you can see, I can map the fields I want to send on my CRM. If I click on Add Property, I can select a data point that I will have on PhantomBuster, let's say the company website, and then I will select the right field on Hubspot to send the data. In this case, I will select website URL. Then I have the option of fill the property if it's empty, or overwrite it if the contact is already existing and that I want to overwrite the property. Then I can select to only create new entries, to only update existing entries, or to both create new and update existing entries. This is what I would recommend you if you need to send contacts to HubSpot. I click Save, and launch Phantom. Coming back on our automations with HubSpot, I was using the Phantom called Send Leads from PhantomBuster to HubSpot. So I can select a list of leads that I was extracting from LinkedIn, that I was enriching, or leads that I was reaching out with an outreach sequence, for instance, and I will map the fields and send them to my CRM. The other way around with the second Phantom, I can take a list from HubSpot and enrich the data and get, for example, more details regarding the experience, the education, the email, or information regarding the company. Then I have another Phantom that will allow me to get the LinkedIn profile URL of my contacts if I don't have them on HubSpot. I can also take a list from HubSpot and send these contacts to an outreach sequence on LinkedIn, sending them an invitation and then follow-up messages. I can also track my contacts' job and company changes. So as soon as someone is having a new position or changing companies, then the information will be updated directly on my CRM, and I will also have a notification. So I could imagine setting up an automation directly on HubSpot that as soon as a contact is changing company, then I'm sending this contact to a dynamic list on HubSpot and then using Automate your LinkedIn outreach. But if you want more tips with HubSpot and PhantomBuster, you can watch other videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.